Good morning, kindergarten. I hope you're well and rested and ready for a day of kindergarten math. Make sure you have your pencil and a piece of paper so you can problem solve alongside me. Let's get ready. Kindergarten, today during our math lesson, we are going to find the parts that make 9 and 10. Kindergarten, during our math lesson today, we are going to be reading number stories, drawing a picture of our number story, and then writing a matching equation. Let's read our first number story. Read along with me. Ready? There are 9 bows. Some are black and some are white. How many bows are black and how many are white? The first thing we want to do, kindergarten, is look for the important information we need to draw our story. What important number did you hear in that sentence? You got it. We heard that there were 9 bows. So we're going to draw how many circles, kindergarten? That's right, 9. We're not going to draw them any kind of way. We want to draw them in an organized way. When we draw them in an organized way, we're going to draw them in a, you guessed it again, kiss your brain, a 5 group of 9. A 5 group of 9 has 5 circles at top and 4 circles at the bottom. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In our story, we heard that there were some bows that are black and some that are white. We don't have a number that identifies how many are black and how many are white. So we get to decide how many should be black and how many should be white, kindergarten. I'm going to color in how many black here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 black and how many white, kindergarten? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I draw a line between my black and my white so that you can see the parts that are making 9. I have a part that has how many black, kindergarten? 5. And how many white, kindergarten? 4. And how many all together? You guessed it, 9. So my equation reads 9 equals 5 plus 4. Nice work, kindergarten. I wonder if there's another way to make 9. Let's try another problem and see if we can come up with another way to make 9. Kindergarten, we've already discovered that we can break 9 into 2 parts by coloring in 5 dots black and 4 dots white. Now we want to see if we can come up with a different way to break 9 into 2 parts. Let's reread our story together. Ready? There are 9 bows. Some are black and some are white. How many bows are black and how many are white? Kindergarten, we know from reading this story that we're going to draw 9 bows all together in a 5 group of 9. A 5 group of 9 has how many on top? You got it, 5. And how many at the bottom? You're so smart. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if we color 2 dots in black and the rest white, let's count how many white there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we separate our 2 parts with a line, separating the 2 black and our 7 white. We've just made another number sentence. Do you know how we should write that number sentence, kindergarten? Why don't you pull out a piece of paper and your pencil and write the equation that matches this drawing? Ready? Go. Kindergarten, does your number sentence read as follows? 9 equals 2 black dots plus 7 white dots? Kiss your brain, kindergarten. You are on fire today. Let's try another one. Kindergarten, let's read our next number story together. Ready? Read. There are 10 pencils. Some are black and some are white. How many pencils are black and how many are white? Kindergarten, what important information did you hear that we can use to draw our story? That's right. We heard the number 10 this time. So we're going to draw a 5 group of 10. A 5 group of 10 has 5 at top and 5 at the bottom. Let's count all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, kindergarten. We have 10 dots all together. Our job is to figure out how to break our 10 pencils into 2 parts. Remember, some are black and some are white. How many black pencils are there, kindergarten? Can you count along with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many white pencils, kindergarten? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I separate my 2 parts with a line to show my black pencils and my white pencils. That means my equation is going to read 10 equals 5 black pencils plus 5 white pencils. Our 2 parts are 5 and 5. Kindergarten. I wonder if there's another way to break 10 apart with different numbers. What do you think? Let's try. Kindergarten, we've already discovered that we can break 10 into 2 parts by coloring in 5 dots black and 5 dots white, because together 5 and 5 make 10. But we want to figure out a different way to make 10. See if we can come up with 2 different number parts. Let's reread our sentence. There are 10 pencils. Some are black and some are white. How many pencils are black and how many are white? Kindergarten, we know that if we are going to draw this number story, we're going to draw how many dots all together? That's right. We are going to draw 10 dots all together. After we draw our 10 dots, we're going to color some in black and some in white. Do you see the drawing that I've come up with? Do you see how many are black and how many are white? Do you think, kindergarten, you can write a matching number equation to go with our drawing? I bet you can. Get your pencil out and your piece of paper and get started. Ready, go. Kindergarten, thumbs up if you notice 7 black dots and 3 white dots in this picture. So our equation should read 10 equals 7 plus 3. Great work, kindergarten. Let's move on and talk about what your assignment in your math packet will look like for today. During today's math assignment today, kindergarten, you are going to find 2 ways to break 9 into parts and 2 ways to break 10 into parts. You've already done an absolutely great job with me, so I'm sure that on your own, you're going to do incredible. After you finish your work, make sure you spend some fun in the sun, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day, kindergarten.